really kind of what underpins our modularity and I guess our ability to have a really rapid prototyping process that is design, deliver and manufacture. But at the same time, it's like it forms our knowledge, know-how and IP to rapidly prototype something or develop a working product in field in about anywhere between 6 to 12 weeks is about a standard project. And that's really around the fact that it's all like Lego. So every component is a module. Every component is designed to work with every other component. And essentially what we're doing is reconfiguring those things, but really, again, understanding what the customer's outcome is and looking at the most practical solution to make that work.
A key element of what we've put into our system is modularity. So being able to introduce new technology in, we need to be able to essentially plug and play different components and devices. So treating it a bit like a Lego set, being able to add the latest things in gives us good flexibility. Robotics is growing rapidly, particularly in the field we're in of doing remote inspection in hazardous areas and confined spaces, things like that. It's definitely what a lot of the industry is driving towards. But as a result of that, there's been some really interesting projects we've worked on where we've been able to integrate things like manipulators and sensors. The key of what we do at Nexxis is really looking outside the box, looking how we can integrate the latest technology into our systems and get a good outcome for our client.
The main thing is to have the team aligned with the outcome. Everyone has, their ability to input into the process, and especially in a cutting-edge environment, there's more than one answer. We're approaching old problems with new ideas. We get to actually see the things that, someone has an idea of and we get to create it. So, every day of the week we're developing new ideas and taking technologies that may not have necessarily been utilised before or using them in a different way. So for me, that is the dream, and I guess I wake up every day actually excited to go and see what we can pull together today.
Collaboration is an art form in our opinion, and having good collaborators who are good at what they do versus what we do, that's kind of how we do it. Understanding the high-level requirements that a customer is looking for, really breaking that down into actual outcomes that they're looking for. And essentially what you're doing is building the performance criteria of what the robot should do and how it should perform in fields. And I think that really comes down to the fact that we're underpinned by engineering right from the beginning. By gathering that and front-end loading the project, we can ensure that as we deliver it through from concept into a minimum viable product or into a working prototype in field, is that we can ensure the best outcome for the operators.